I'm Ava. Today I'm going to be showing you 6 different ways to style a singular crochet top from Spirit and Thread. This first one is a perfect, simple summer outfit. Perfect for a day like today. It's 80 degrees out. Starting with this gold belt chain, really giving the outfit that extra pop. And of course gold jewelry, because the outfit would not be complete without it. I swear the white nails were not planned for this video, but I'm so glad it worked out like that. All of the gold just really tied this in together. Next, I decided to throw on this cheetah print skirt with white accents to complement the top, as well as a white bag, of course. Here are some beige sandals, honestly my go-to, just to finalize it and bring out the little pops of beige in the skirt. This outfit is very much giving a summer dinner date. This third outfit is definitely more on the simple side, making it very easy to accessorize. I threw in black sunglasses and a black bag to match the pants. This is something that I would definitely wear to the mall. As I'm watching these videos back, I realized that I really need to smile more, so we're gonna work on that. For this next one, I was very much thinking about fall and wanted to throw in a seasonal outfit. This jacket has beige trim and beige on the inside to complement the beige pants. And back to denim with the fourth outfit. I purposefully chose jeans with rips in them to go with the white in the top, and of course I paired it with some simple white sandals. The fifth outfit I'm absolutely obsessed with. This one is probably my favorite. I will definitely be wearing this to the beach, pairing it with a big tote and sunglasses to match. Lastly, I had to tie my favorite color in. I threw on a gold ring with a pink gemstone, along with a pink purse with gold hardware to complement the pink skirt and the gold in the top. I honestly can't believe how versatile this top is, and I'm absolutely obsessed. This is gonna be worn so much in the summer.